Paracord bracelet, the lightning bolts or the boxed in. These are the names of this 2-in-1 paracord bracelet. So guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und meine Herren, Madame and Monsieur, welcome to the Alpha One982 YouTube channel. My name is Dale and today I'm gonna show you how to make this particular bracelet. So stay tuned, and tutorial is right around the corner. So for this bracelet we're gonna need 2 feet of this purple paracord 550, and we need to find the center, even the ends, and make the stop knot. So here this will be our base of the bracelet, and we're also gonna need around I took 6 feet from each of these black and a purple cord, but I think we're gonna need a bit less of it. Now you need to join these cords together to be firm and strong, like this, and then we're gonna start making this bracelet. So first make the first knot. It will be the basic cobra. Now even the space between these 2 cords to hide the part where you join these 2 cords. And now when we done this, we're gonna simply start doing the weaving of this bracelet. So this first one gonna go under. Let's do the purple. So this left strand going down, gonna go under the base of the bracelet like this, and through, on top and through this loop here. Now we have a little more cordage, so it will be a tough job. Now pull it to make tight, like so, and then do the simple standard cobra. Purple gonna go on top of the base of the bracelet, and this black gonna go on top of the purple, under the base of the bracelet, as you can see, and through here. Now make it all tight. This will be good. And the final pattern of this bracelet is the purple on top of the base of the bracelet, under and through this loop. So here we have the first lightning bolt, or bolt, sorry. As you can see here, the shape of the bolt. Now again do this black one under the base of the bracelet, on top of it, and through this loop on the left. Tighten it up, and then standard cobra, black on top of the base of the bracelet, purple on top of the black, and through the loop. like this, and the final black on top of the base of the bracelet and through this loop. So guys, I hope you see the pattern here. So here it is, one lightning bolt, the other lightning bolt. Now purple under the base, on top and through. This bracelet actually is done on the jig, but I didn't use the jig this time because lots of you ask me to do the bracelet if I can without the jig. So I decided to do this bracelet without the jig because it can be done, as you see. Almost every paracord bracelet can be done without the jig, but it's far more easy to do it with a rig or a jig, as you wish to call it. So to finish the pattern, purple on top, under the base of the bracelet and through. Tight it up, and as you can see, we now have the two bolts done. Most important thing, guys, is to measure your wrist before you start doing any kind of a bracelet, or measure the length of the base of the bracelet, this one. I'm gonna do this bracelet a bit thicker, and here you see I made a mistake. You need to pay attention on these things. So the black one under the base of the bracelet, on top and through, and then on top, through and back, like this. And then the finish. And let's see the other side. As you can see, black boxed between the purple, purple boxed between the black, black boxed between the purple, purple boxed between the black, and so it goes. and that's them too. So guys, the bracelet is finished. As you can see, from this side it's lightning bolts, and from the other side it's called boxed in. This black one is boxed with this purple with this black, etc, etc.